Well, the New South Wales government has announced a major change to its vaccine rollout. Public health hubs and pharmacies will soon offer AstraZeneca available to anyone over 40, with federal authorities also said to be reconsidering their own guidelines. It comes as cases surge to 112, the highest since April last year.
The health message is stay at home, but at this Bondi Junction apartment building, it wasn't even safe there. 8 cases of COVID have now been identified across 5 different households.
We've now identified the source and will be working with all residents to ensure we can safely move and provide care.
Some will be moved to special health accommodation, while most in the block of 29 units must isolate for 2 weeks.
This is a reminder of the risks that COVID poses and why we were requiring masks and have been in indoor common property areas of residential premises.
The city's southwest remains the main concern. The majority of new exposure sites are in the Fairfield area.
Please be aware, right now, Fairfield is the target of this virus in particular.
From Friday, the Fairfield Showground will not only host a testing clinic, but also a vaccine hub. Not open to the general population yet, it will offer Pfizer jabs to workers in education and care.
We will be prioritising vaccinations for aged care workers and teachers.
4 more vaccine centres will open soon across New South Wales. Belmont, Lake Macquarie next Monday, so too a clinic in Sydney City. Macquarie Fields within weeks, and in Wollongong next month. Combined, it's a major boost.
It's 200,000 jabs a week.
And in another major change,
so from now, we'll be able to accept anybody over 40 who wants the AstraZeneca.
Previously not offered to that age group at public health clinics, the rampant spread of Delta has forced a rethink.
So the current risk situation has changed dramatically.
Pharmacies also given approval to vaccinate over 40s.
I think the government has made the right call that we need to be getting the AstraZeneca, which we have plenty of supply of, out to our communities.
63 people are currently in hospital with the virus, 18 are in intensive care, 4 require ventilation. While there has been a scare at the Royal Prince Alfred Hospital, a case attending the vaccination clinic last Tuesday, the federal government is now sending extra supplies for infection control.
1 million surgical masks, 1 million N95 masks, 250,000 pairs of gloves, 250,000 gowns and 250,000 goggles.
While on the northern beaches, despite 2 new exposure venues at Manly, there are still no recorded cases in the region this outbreak. Lachlan Kennedy for 10 News First.